our organizations and our community almost beg you. This bill, as written, has a terribly negative impact. I know it's not the intent, but that's the effect of it. With our rents in the state being 50% higher than it is in other areas, it has a terrible effect on renters, and disproportionately, renters in the state are renters of color. And they're striving. Some of them are paying up to 80% of their income to cover the rent. The effect of this is that 3 or 4 days before payday, they're feeding their children potatoes. I've seen it. Any increase in the housing that increases the rent is going to push those people right on the margin into the homeless. Continuing this bill and the effects of this bill will deny our communities access to home ownership on it. And if it denies us access to home ownership, it denies us access to middle class. From the Honorable Cruz Reynoso, who repeats what we've said in here, he says this bill will have a terrible impact on the community that he has historically supported on. And secondly, Herman Gallegos, who was a founder of the National Council of La Raza and has received many, many awards, been on many foundations on it, also pleads with you. And lastly, someone you know very well, Joe Coto.